though it might hurt, I'ma tell you the truth, at least most of it. I use my priorities as an excuse, oh no, no. Cause girl, my priorities should've been you.
Hi guys, it's Anaya. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. So I really enjoyed this palette. Mine's just a little dirty because I just filmed this look. So if you're interested in how I got this eye will be on my Instagram. So if you go on my Instagram _ANAYASWORLD, you'll have a pictorial on this eye, and a little bit later on in the video I'll have a little clip on how I did this eye. I really enjoyed this palette. What drew me to the palette was this orange color and this green color. The orange shade, which is very pigmented. I'm just going to swatch on my hand. Let's see. So if you see that. And this is really what drew me to the palette. And I really like all the colors, especially this turquoise greenish color right here. Because I really like matte shades more than shimmer shades when I'm doing my looks. So as you can see, these are two of the main colors in my look. Overall, this palette was really good. I give it a 9 out of 10. Really enjoyed this palette, and I'm going to be creating way more looks for it. So if you guys want to see more looks with this palette, just give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye.